VI was originally written on hardware terminals before the concept of a scroll bar existed, but I'm going to use the term scrolling to describe these commands, all of which use the Control key. You can use Control-E and Control-Y to scroll the screen up and down by one line. E is short for expose, because you're exposing an additional line at the bottom of the screen. Y, I have no idea why it's called that. You can use Control-D and U to scroll down or up by half a screen full. And you can use Control-F and Control-B to scroll forward and back by a full screen full. Let me demonstrate those. So let's go to our Purloined Letter file. So here I can do Control-E to expose another line. E, E, E. That's Control-E, Control-E, Control-E. Or I can do Control-Y, Control-Y, Control-Y to scroll by a single line in the other direction. When you use these control keys, the cursor remains exactly where it is, W, W, W. So I can do Control-Y, 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 Control-E, 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 and the cursor remains where it is in the text. However, if the cursor bumps into the edge of the screen, Control-E, 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 at that point the cursor bumps down to stay in view, Control-E, Control-E. And now it remains at that point in the text if you scroll back. Control-Y, Control-Y, Control-Y. You can also use Control-D to go down by half a screen. Control-D, Control-D. And backwards, use a Control-U to go up. Control-U, Control-U, Control-U. And then finally, Control-F goes forward by an entire screen full. Control-F. Or Control-B to go backward by an entire screen full.